Hi friends, welcome to first lesson of PowerPoint. When we open a new PowerPoint, this is the normal view. You can see here, this is the normal view of a new PowerPoint. In that normal view, you can see at the topmost of the left side corner, you can see some small options. We called it as quick access toolbar. Now at slide 2 bottom, we can see here slide pans. We can add as many as slide pans as per our requirement. Now, so this option is called as slide pans. This is the slide pans. Now this is the slide pan main work area. This option is main work area. Now click to add title. This box is called as title placeholder. Now at the below the title placeholder, click to add subtitle option is there. We called it as subtitle placeholder, and the entire this option we called it as ribbon. Now we open a new workbook and show how these options are available in a new workbook. Let's see. To open a new workbook, you have to go to type search here button, click about the type search here button and type PowerPoint. Look here, when I type power, it automatically shows my PowerPoint. Click about that, double click on that and double click on that. Now minimize this, double click on that, then click on blank presentation. Here so many options are there. Now you click on the blank presentation. When you click on the blank presentation, a new PowerPoint presentation creates for you and it shows looks like as per our previous one slides. Look here, the small buttons are there. We called it as a quick access toolbar. Now this this one is called as slide pans, and this is the main work area, and click to add title. This one is called as title placeholder. The below this one is called as subtitle placeholder, and the entire this option is called as ribbon. This is all about normal view. Then next learning is about ribbon. What is ribbon and what we called, because so many options are there in ribbon. So in ribbon, a ribbon which is tabbed toolbar at the top of the window. The ribbon is divided into tabs. One is, look here at the picture, this is home tab, this is insert tab, design tab, transitions, animations, slideshow. We called all of them are tabs. So first one is ribbon divided into tabs. Then each tab contains several groups. Look here, this one is the home tab. Here a clipboard is a group, slides is a group, front is a group, paragraph is a group. Then this groups is categorized as per the related commands. You can see this one in a new PowerPoint. This is our new PowerPoint. Here, home, insert, design, transition, animations, slideshow, review, view. These are called as tabs, and clipboards, slides, fonts, paragraphs, drawings, editing. These are called as groups. Look here at the uh, right bottom corner, there is a option. So this option is called as dialog box launcher. If we click over there, a option is shown. We called it as a dialog box launcher. Font is there. Paragraph is a dialog box launcher. Drawing is also a paragraph box. Drawing is also a dialog box launcher. This is all about ribbons. Now next we learn about backstage view. What is backstage view? When we click on the file button, there are so many options, that is info, new, open, save, save as, history, print, share, export, close, and account. How it looks like, we can see in our new graph. This is our new slide. Here is a file option. Here is the file option. You click on the file option. Look here. This is the backstage view. In the backstage view, first option is info. Then second option is new. Third option is open. Fourth option is save. Fifth option is save as. Sixth option is print. Seventh option is share. Eighth option is export. Ninth option is close. As I click over the close button, so my new PowerPoint closed. So I want to open again the PowerPoint. So in the search box, I type PowerPoint, POW. It automatically shows PowerPoint. Then double click on that. Blank presentation. So go to file, then info, new, here close, here is the account, and here is the options. So backstage view looks like this. We called it as a backstage view. In the backstage view, the first option is new. The function of new is shows information about the first function is info. Look here, the first function is info. Here it gives information about shows information. Look here this slide. It shows information about the active presentation and provides commands that control permission, sharing, and version management. Look here. Here we can protect our presentation. Here you can see the versions and account. The PowerPoint belongs to which account. All the details you can see on the info option. Then Next is new. On the new option, you can create a new PowerPoint. You can use a new template. These are called as templates. Which one is already built by Microsoft PowerPoint team. New list available templates from which we can create a new presentation. Here, when we click over there any of the template, we can create a new presentation. Then third option is open. We can open an existing PowerPoint available in our OneDrive or in our computer. Next is save. We can save our current PowerPoint in OneDrive or computer. Then this is the save. Then save as is same. Save as usually helps us to save our file as per our choices. Now next is print. We can print our PowerPoint by using this option. Next is share. We can share our presentation and present online by using share option. In export option, we can create a video on our PowerPoint. Then close. When you click on the close option, the PowerPoint automatically closes. So again, you can open your PowerPoint. Here it shows my PowerPoint. You can open again. Go to file. Then close here. Here is account. This gives information about the account. Then there is an option. This is the option tab. Here is also general, proofing, save, language. There are so many options you can use as for our further classes going on. This is what about backstage view. Now, thank you for watching ICPSR group. To know more about PowerPoint presentations, and if you face any difficulties in PowerPoint presentation, then share your file or comment on the comment box.